Welcome to one of the most secret money factories in the world.
Inside, massive machines produce currency at an industrial scale.
Different denominations are printed together in continuous flow.
Precision details meet massive production in every stage.
Each denomination begins with its own engraved identity.
Different denominations are printed under intense pressure. Each value carries unique design complexity and detail.
All denominations are stabilized before final inspection. Higher values require deeper layers and greater precision.
These textures make the note feel authentic.
But the operation does not stop at physical money.
This is where counterfeit money begins its journey.
Every sheet moves through a highly controlled system.
It starts with materials engineered to mimic real currency. Ink formulas are carefully designed for perfect replication.
Special inks create illusions difficult to detect. Engraved plates define every microscopic detail.
High-pressure printing creates realistic raised textures.
Drying locks the design permanently into the material.
Every sheet is checked before moving forward.
Microtext adds hidden layers only machines can verify.
Fine lines make duplication nearly impossible to achieve.
Ultraviolet features reveal secrets invisible in normal light. Ultraviolet features reveal secrets invisible in normal light. Every note gets a unique identity through serial numbers.
Even the smallest flaw leads to immediate rejection.
Thousands of notes are stacked in seconds. Perfect alignment ensures flawless cutting and consistency.
Sheets are cut into individual notes with precision. Large sheets are cut into individual notes with precision.
Multiple systems operate together to maximize output speed. Edges are refined to match perfect uniform standards.
Machines count thousands of notes in seconds.
Notes are arranged into uniform stacks automatically.
Each bundle is secured with tight wrapping bands. Bundles are sealed and prepared for final handling.
Final checks ensure consistency before completion.
finished bundles accumulate in massive quantities.
Bundles are sealed and prepared for distribution.
Finished notes are stored inside highly secured vaults.
Warehouses manage massive volumes ready for movement.
Every shipment is prepared with strict control and secrecy.
Distribution moves quietly through hidden global routes.
Once released, it spreads through global financial systems.
It becomes part of everyday transactions worldwide.
Counting systems process thousands of notes every minute.
Detection systems struggle to identify near-perfect copies.
It integrates seamlessly into complex financial networks. The focus shifts from printing to powerful digital operations,